이번 영상에서는 솔리드웍스와 연결된 VR을 활용하여 설계까지 적용하는 사례를 소개해드리도록 하겠습니다. 솔리드웍스 3D CAD도 설계의 편리함을 제공하는데 더 나아가 VR을 통한 설계는 제품의 오류를 더욱 줄여주고 제품 사이즈를 조절하여 더욱 현실적인 설계가 가능할 것 같습니다.
Well, you pick the choice. I see a nice motorcycle there.
Okay, let's try the motorcycle. So you kind of do this Iron Man, Iron Woman grab and pull it out and stick it on the stage. And it just kind of goes out there. Now the cool thing about this is that it keeps the integrity of the file and all of the hierarchy from the
Maybe a little more neutral.
100%. So we can just go ahead and grab it and chuck the... This case is, of course, training. So I'm going to apply the animation tool on this and show you guys how the model explodes all in real time. And this is photorealistic in front of my eyes right now. So it's a lot cooler when you're seeing it through the glass. So this is how, for example, I might see a complex assembly come to life. And now we can contract it again. Another great use case is design reviews. So let's say we wanted to focus in on a specific feature or a part of this motorcycle, like the engine. I would go ahead and press this magical button and really focus in here. And now I can see the metadata of the engine all in real time. I'll press I again and show you my favorite feature. Let's see if this works. This is the very first time ever we're showing this in real life. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this model and place it there. It's all very easy and kind of fun to use. And I'm going to take my one-to-one scale tool and apply it in 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens. Okay. There we go. Thank you. So, Suchi, you're looking pretty good over there by the motorcycle. You can see it's in real scale.
On top, yeah.
Yes, exactly. Perfect. I'm going to come behind it and kind of sit on it and grab the handlebars. And I mean, this is just such, it gives me goosebumps because for all of you builders and creators.
정말 놀라운 기술이 솔리드웍스에 적용되고 있는 것 같습니다. 이번에 살펴볼 내용은 IoT입니다. 4차 산업의 핵심 기술인 IoT는 인터넷 오브 띵스의 줄임말로 각각의 제품을 인터넷으로 연결하여 같은 공간에 있지 않고도 핸드폰 등 인터넷 기기를 통해 여러 가지 기능을 할 수 있게 해줍니다. 그럼 IoT 기술을 어떻게 솔리드웍스와 연결하여 사용하는지 보도록 하겠습니다.
Why is IoT so complex?
That's right, Kishore. IoT is making product design way more complicated. You now need new skills to deal with connectivity, cloud, app, big data, security, and so much more. The numbers speak for themselves. 75% of IoT projects stall or fail because of lack of required skill sets. And this new complexity means more time, more money, more risk, and more mistakes.
In my case, 100% of my projects. And you're going to help me succeed, right? So why are so many companies turning to IoT?
Because companies understand that the only way to stay relevant is by creating products with almost zero downtime, 100% efficiency, and maximum safety. IoT, or Industry 4.0, is the way to achieve these goals. Could you imagine, for example, a mobile phone staying relevant without internet connectivity?
That's a brick. Of course not.
Likewise, very soon, industrial machinery and equipment will have to be connected to remain relevant. Generally speaking, we divide the business drivers for IoT into 6 groups, from productivity and efficiency to data-driven product innovations. Companies already go IoT to increase sales and improve their products.
So this not only transforms the product, just to look at it, it transforms the business models as well. So listen, at SolidWorks, we make the complex simple. And we want to make it so simple that everyone in this room can start this journey. So tell us how Sibo and SolidWorks working together is going to make it accessible to everybody else.
SolidWorks users can turn their 3D models into IoT products in no time. The easiest way to go IoT is by using the new Sibo add-in for SolidWorks. Let me take you into the life of a product designer in a leading machine manufacturer.
Sure.
Inside SolidWorks, you can see a 3D model, in this case, a packaging machine. In just 30 seconds, you can install the new SIBO add-in for SolidWorks, and a library of IoT features opens. You can drag and drop features onto the model, and when ready, you click on the Create IoT Product button, and SIBO opens. SIBO automatically opens in your browser. It's a cloud-based software where you can visually describe the new IoT system. You can add the web dashboards. You can add the cloud server. You can invite team members to get work done together. And you finalize the modeling by defining the use cases of the system. Typical use cases are predictive maintenance and remote asset monitoring. At that point, SIBO automatically generates for you the simulations. It automatically generates for you the specs. And it automatically generates for you the analytics to make it happen. Missing some of the skill sets within your team, for example, you don't have an app developer or a cloud developer in your team, that's also not a problem. You can easily collaborate with new partners all through and within the SIBO IoT ecosystem.
IoT에 대한 관심이 점점 뜨거워지고 있는 이때 솔리드웍스 사용자도 손쉽게 제품의 IoT 기술을 적용할 수 있게 되었습니다. 소형 가전뿐만 아니라 생산성과 직결되는 생산 기기에 문제가 발생되기 전 미리 문제를 방지한다면 고객의 만족도는 더욱 높아질 것입니다. IoT 기술을 통해 고객이 원하는 제품을 만들 수 있을 것 같습니다. 이상 솔리드웍스 월드 2018 두 번째 날 리뷰를 마치도록 하겠습니다. 세 번째 날 리뷰도 기대해주세요.